do it for your square body?
Ooh, it'll match colors even.
What?
That square body. Welcome back to Project Sullivan. Today we're hitting up the You Pull and Buy in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're on the hunt for a door for our 2007 Chevrolet Suburban. You Pull and Buy is known for its extensive collection of vehicles and parts. This is the kind of junkyard where you can bring your tools, pull the parts you need at great prices. If all goes well and we find the door we're looking for, we might be able to take a look at the rest of the junkyard. Hopefully we can explore this massive junkyard and see what other treasures it might have in store. On this trip, Uncle Scotty and Gogo are going to be able to join me. That's nice. All right, so this is our 2007 Chevy Suburban. And Gogo was using it to drive to school and help take care of the baby. He was parked with the door open and his buddy backed into it, which has thrown everything out of alignment. You can tell right there, it's about a ½ inch inward. But if you look at the A-pillar, it doesn't look like it's too incredibly bent. So we're hoping it's just the hinges and the door that's the problem. Now, it's been almost a year that this has happened, so it's just been sitting in the weather with the window down for us to be able to close the door, because the door doesn't close. We did force it open. Probably need a fender as well. Might be able to make something finagle. But if we could just find a door at least, that's the goal. We could always get a fender later. This thing's got 270 something thousand miles on it. And Old Reliable needs some work. It needs a lot of TLC. But that'd be a different episode if we do anything like that. But right now, we're just focused on going to look for a door at a junkyard. So we get to do a junkyard walk around. Let's head off to Albuquerque. We'll dive into this junkyard and see what it has to offer. What is it? You pull it, you pay? Something like that? The pay sounds like a threat. Anybody else get that? Come with me. $10,000. Best offer. I know what I got.
Is that a Hummer?
OBS. I think that's an H3, Gogo.
Hey Dad, both of you still have these.
Oh, the OBS.
It might be a 305, which is why it's still there.
I don't know. What does it say? 96.
Yeah, look, there's one right there.
This is a Vortec.
So is the other one, I think. No, OBS. Or not OBS, Grandpa.
Yep, it's definitely the wrong year.
This is the year we need.
Ooh. And it's dented. Four-wheel drive. A lot of OBSs here. I think they got a better selection than Anthony, dude.
Well, we never made it to the Chevy section last time.
Yeah, we did. Front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder. Check out our new truck, only 75% off.
35% of it.
What is it?
That block is painted green, and now you're gonna paint that block so you pull it out.
Oh yeah. I bet you it's a 4.8.
I don't know. That's why I was hoping to find a tag on it, but they get rid of all that.
Yeah, I haven't seen it either.
Well, usually it's on the airbox. So the airbox is right here. That's where it's at.
Man, they got all the small blocks in LS's here.
Hey, look for a starter off of one of those for your race car.
Oh, it's not a bad idea. Especially that That Vortex would be the one, dude. That Vortex gonna be the high torque one.
Here, you
I would
take over again.
take the impact, a 9/16, a half-inch in extension, and go take it off. And a pair of pliers.
I have located one starter. And I'm going under there for the next one right now. And it's not there. Anybody see starter? Oh wait, what's that? I can't tell if this is a small block starter or not, so I'm just gonna take it. So that's both of these that are missing transmissions and no starters.
Happen to find a starter on the ground. Went to go get another starter.
I don't know if this is a small block starter. This is the only starter I found around him.
That looks like it, dude.
I thought it looked like it.
Keep this out of the sun. Oh. Okay. There's our engine for our Envoy. Square body truck, just needs a fuel pump. Here's the starter right there. Man, when I need to get panels for the Jimmy, I'm gonna have to come over here. It's only 2-wheel drive, huh? Yeah, it's only 2-wheel drive. Definitely a big block dually. Ooh. Ah. That's a new one to me. If you're looking for it, locking hitch. The Envoy. A lot of SUVs, and I'm not seeing a lot of cars here.
Hey, you know what? You want a fender for the Envoy?
Not right now. We'd have to get a new engine first.
That's old. Barely, that's a grandpa truck.
Yeah, I think you're right. Hey, that's the same vehicle Grandma's got. Same engine.
Grandma's got? In the white van?
No, in the Colorado. That'll buff out. Oh. What is this? Hold on, you trapped a sway bar with you. Okay, it's a Cadillac, right?
It's probably a 3.6.
Oh, you're right, it is, because dual overhead cam.
It's the exact motor you have in your Cadillac.
Yep. Oh. Ugh. I don't know if those doors fit, dude. Hello? No, we're just going around. We're not able to move through it as quickly as you are.
I found a 6.0 on the ground. Complete.
Really? Look it up on the
I'm right
website,
here.
see how much it's going to cost. Is this it?
I think that's it.
No, I don't know.
No? Really?
I remember it being more aggressive right here.
Really? I don't know. I delete that thing out.
The dash and everything, well, it's kind of hard to tell.
I don't think this is it.
I don't think this is it either.
They have Scott's handles, look.
These panels are gone too, dude.
Well, we have panels. We just need a door.
I don't know, that's the right kind of shocks.
Hey, do you want to grab those?
That was blown, dude, look. But you know what? Why am I doing this the hard way? Because I can't read it the other way? Can y'all make that out? I don't think that's it.
At the beginning,
Not all the way at the beginning.
so we skipped a couple rows.
Yeah.
Just find your newer rows here.
Well, we're starting to see newer ones. That's so close, but I don't think that's it. I think that's still your...
That's the old style.
Yeah, that's the old style. That's the wrong one. Hold on, I'll sneak by over here real quick. What do we got here? I like this selection a lot better than Anthony. I don't know about y'all. If you remember the video up above, you know what I'm talking about. Is that a transaxle? Ew. That's a large block. That's a big block. Was the dually. That's probably the 454 right there. It's got a dent on every side here. There's a small block Chevy right there with the fuel pump. What kind of heads are those, guys? With the squares? I have to look it up at the house. Well, it looks like, okay, so from what I found on the internet, the heads are either a 399-8991 made in 1968/69 with a CID of 307, intake of 1.72, and exhaust of 1.5. Or they might be the 4686 42s, which were made between 1976 and 1983 for the CID of 350. Intake is a 194 and the exhaust is a 1.5. It'll probably run. Oh, that quarter, nope, it's dinged too. Might as well call that truck Whiskey Dent because it's got a dent on every quarter panel. I guess that's creative. It's the manual. It's the 3-pedal edition. Hard to tell with the transmission being out of the way and all. 3/4 ton. Is it 4-wheel drive? Nope, 2-wheel drive. Man, so close. I'd like to put the bigger axles on our Jimmy. I thought I got some, but I was wrong. But that'll just leave us another project. Let's have a moment of prayer. Heck, is that the truck we need right there? Right there. Dang it. All right, Gogo was saying something about being over here, so let's go check it out. Apparently it was just, they separated the trucks from the cars. That's actually really nice. I wonder if they have any cool cars over there. There's a Chevy. It's all opened up though, so it's probably rusting out. I doubt it's the Vortec. Did you find one, Gogo? That's a V6. Any luck?
No, it wasn't it.
I think there's one right there in that guy's yard.
Shit. Look at that.
Actually, it's missing the door. That's it. Why's it got to be missing the driver door? Oh, that is a front axle.
Cadillac. It looks like yours.
Let's look for our door first. Still a lot of good engines, or there's a lot of engines around here. I don't know if any of them are good. Nice square body. This is where I'm gonna have to come when I'm coming to look for quarter panels. Still got the engine. Small block Chevy.
Hey Dad, this
old style.
Like no, I don't think so. The handle looks like it, but I don't see anything else looking like it.
I don't think it's small. I think it's too small. What brand is it?
GMC.
What does it say in the back? What's the model? I think the Arcadia is smaller. I don't think this door will fit. That'd be plan B, dude. Although I think that's pretty much it. I think Scott went over there to go check the first couple rows.
We're into the cars now.
That's a Ford.
Those are all Fords on that side.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? If we go find a 4.6 in there, that'd be pretty nice.
4.6 might be easy to find. Coyote would be a different story.
I know, but a 4.6 3-valve?
We found one door that might be it. I'm gonna go look at them front 2 rows. I'll be right back. I'll meet you here. I can't wait to go look at the other cars. If we have any time, we're gonna go check those out. No. I'm on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I cannot, for any reason, get distracted. Door. And the starter we already bought. Door. Focus on the door. Gotta find the door. Can't just go looking at all the parts. I think these are all the trucks. That's brutal too. Yeah, because I think that door is the same one as this here on the Envoy. The Envoy is quite a bit smaller than the
5.0 from.
If we can't find the part here, we're gonna have to try to run to another junkyard, and most of them close at 3 in Albuquerque, I guess. This is definitely not it. There's no way those doors are the same size, dude. There's another Chevy. Oh no, I'm sorry, that's a 4.3 liter V6. That's definitely an LS with aluminum heads and a cast iron block. Interesting. I found an Arcadia That looks very similar, but I think they're smaller.
I think it's the smallest.
I wonder if that's an all-wheel drive transmission for these things. Small block, not a Vortec though. In case you're looking for that compact minivan. Buick. An Aztec, it deserves to be here. I know there's a cult following, but I'm not one of them. All right. A Sender. I don't even know some of these. Yukon, that's old body style. Trailblazer, that's too small anyway. That's the wrong body style. Y'all are starting to get warm on me, and I'm not seeing what I'm looking for here at all. I feel pressured for time, even though we shouldn't be. Did we already go down this aisle? I think we might. Yep, that's the H3 that's burnt. All right.
I really would have liked to check out more of the junkyard, but we did not find the door we need, and we're gonna run out of time. Albuquerque is a 2.5-hour drive from where we live. So if we don't get it done by 3 o'clock today, that's it. That's kind of what we're looking at. We really need to find this door. I don't have a single vehicle that can tow a trailer, and we don't have enough seats for all the kids right now.
If you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe.
Don't wait for opportunity. Create it.